Hi. The squirrel is there. Oh, say hi, friend.
Hi, friend.
That is your friend, squirrel. Squirrel. And the bird are coming. Ay, there are two squirrel. Oh, hi, two squirrel.
One, two, three.
It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Jumping nuts. Look. Ah, he jumped. He's jumping.
Jumping.
Jumping, yeah.
He's always jumping.
Mga animal sa kalikasan. Ayan. Ibon. Mga ibon. Mga ano ng kalikasan. Mga ibon. Hindi na sila takot. You see? They are not scared anymore. Kalapati. They are not scared anymore. Oh! Oh! Ah! Pinipid naman nila kasi. Ayan, oh. Hinahawakan niya ibon. Hi. Ang bait niya. See? Look. They're not scared, Dada. They're not scared.
You don't have nuts anything?
No. No, but they said it. Don't feed them. Please don't feed them. It's written there, but it's okay. No, maybe he will scared when the bird will come. Look. Oh my God.
I want.
No, if they will come to you, Dada, you will scared.
You work in London?
Huh?
You work in London?
No.
Where?
Dubai, yeah. So cute. Look, there is a bird there also.
Good
Huh?
If sugar cane.
Sorry?
Sugar cane. Kenapa tinggal ada di sini?
Look, the bird. Oh. They have a lot of parrot. Look, the parrot. Oh.
I was seen us with Harry.